Hey guys, it's Lindsay at the blog Repurpose and Upcycle, and I'm going to show you how to make these easy DIY shelves. The first thing you need is a piece of wood and some shelf hardware. I'm using hardware from the Hairpin Leg Company and just a scrap piece of wood that I had. The second thing you need to do is make your shelf dimensions, make a mark to where you need to cut them, and then I used a miter saw to make the cuts. I had 3 shelves left over, and after I was done, I sanded them to make sure there were no rough edges. The last thing I did to the piece of wood was to give it a smooth, rustic wood look finish. I did this with dark wax and clear wax. I mixed them together, and then I just used a lint-free cloth and I rubbed it on. The last thing I did was to install them. I'll show you right here how easy it is to install them. I just put screws in the wall, made sure they were level, and after the shelf brackets were installed, then I took the piece of wood and I screwed the wood into the shelves. And just like that, you have 2 great shelves that you can use in your bathroom or anywhere in your home. And all I used was a piece of wood and 2 shelf brackets. Head to the blog to see more inspiration for easy DIY projects. Thanks, guys.